Hey guys, let's make a 5 minutes banana bread. Allow your banana to be freckled like this before making your banana bread. This is 4 bananas. Use a fork to crush the bananas. They should look like baby food after crushing. Add 2 eggs to your crushed bananas and mix well. Now combine butter and sugar. I'm using a 1/4 cup of monk fruit erythritol sweetener and a half stick of butter. You can also use brown or white sugar with a stick of butter or oil if you prefer. What we're going to do now, we're going to add the mashed banana and egg mixture to the cream butter and sugar, then mix well. Okay guys, so we're going to combine our dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, I'm going to add half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and we're going to combine. Now combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients and mix well. Now add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix well. I am also going to add raisins and walnuts, but this is optional. You can add any nut of your choice if you like. Okay guys, so you're going to continue to mix well for consistency. Now butter your baking pan and bake the banana bread at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, your delicious banana bread is ready to eat. I'm going to transfer the batter to the pan and bake at 350 for 45 minutes. Here's my banana bread fresh out of the oven. I'll let it cool for a few minutes, then I'll cut a slice so you can see how soft and delicious it looks. This is what the banana bread looks like after removing it from the baking pan. It's still warm. I'm going to cut a slice so you can see how soft and delicious it looks inside. This smells amazing and looks delicious. Just look how soft it is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, give your heart to Christ. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.